within New York. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Clarkson Street. So, before we leave, guys, let me show you where I am. Again, just like I showed you back with the back there with Carmine, this is what I call the diamond. This is the diamond right here. This is where these four streets start individually. Carmine starts here, Barrick starts here, Clarkson starts here, and this is the avenue. 7th Avenue South starts here. So this is the crossroads, if you will. Now, so before I leave, guys, let me show you where I am. Let me show you where I am right now. And check it out, guys. We have a ramp up there. And check it out. There's a shack back there. There's a Shake Shack. So now you see where I am, guys. Run. Let me show you again, guys. This is where we are right now. So we are at Clarkson Street, 7th Avenue South. This is the midpoint of the diamond. And we start the journey now. Again, guys, I've never been here before, but this is Clarkson Street. Let's see where it takes us. Let's see what it has. So basically, on the other side is a school, and again, construction, guys. There's a lot of construction going on in New York right now. A lot of construction. And as you can see, you can already see the Hudson Park back there, guys. So again, these streets are not that long. This is the first block of Clarkson Street. Check out the pink flamingos, guys. It's being covered because of the thing there. The what do you call it? I forgot what they call it. The scaffold. But we'll keep going, guys. And we go to the next block now. Second block of Clarkson Street. Coming up at Clarkson Street, Hudson Street, heading westbound. As you can see, guys, I already showed you those big murals up there. That one and that one. Oh, guys, check it out. Check out that crazy building. They almost look like elevators. You know, like the way they are formed, the way they are. So that's gonna be called the elevator building now, guys. That's gonna be called the elevator room. Check it out. Check out the, they look like cubes, but in the form of an elevator. And then the other side, they have scaffolds, so they're working on that one too. So yeah, that is the elevator building, guys. Again, this is the second block of Clarkson Street, heading Hudson westbound. Let's see what we got around here. Oh, check it out. They got metal force. You know, like in metal force. I think they misspelled it. It's supposed to be METAL and force, FORCE, as in metal force. As a matter of fact, there was back in the 80s, I think, there used to be a band, but they disbanded for some reason, called Metal Force. So maybe that's them, I don't know. Coming up at Clarkson Street, Greenwich Street, heading westbound. As you can see, check it out, guys, see? Tell me that those cubes don't look like elevator, you know, the elevators. So that's what it is, the elevators. Those look like elevators. Check it out, see? All of it. And this is the third block of Clarkson, guys. You see, this street is desolate. There's nothing in here except for the cars. Oh, that's up to 120 and very quiet sound. Check it out, guys. This is the building, the elevator building. Check it out. Coming up at Clarkson Street, Washington Street, heading westbound. This is the third block, guys, and that will be the fourth and last one. And then we head back eastbound again. Check it out. See you guys from up close. They look like elevator, the elevators, you know. So that's the new building that they're doing right now. And as you can see, they closed the entire path over there, guys. So we're gonna have to be going through the edge right there by the street. Check out the cavern inside, guys. Check out the cavern inside. I like the metal trees. You see right there? Yeah, it's gonna look good, man. I don't know if it's gonna be residential or business, but judging by the way the design of the metal trees, because I imagine that's metal, it's gonna look cool, man. And that back there is the Hudson, or the West Highway, or West Street. We're gonna do a 180 heading east back again. This is Pier 40 back here. Okay, guys. So before we leave, let me show you right now where we are. We're here. See? Clarkson Street, West Street, and now we head eastbound back again. But you see, the sidewalk is closed. So now we gotta go here, this way, because they're closing construction. Now heading eastbound. See, mucho construction. A lot of construction in this side of the west side, guys. A lot of construction. So it's supposed to be sunny, cloudy, sunny, so you know. And we will go back to the sidewalk where we belong. Coming up at Clarkson, Washington Street, heading eastbound. I hope it doesn't rain, guys, because according to the weather, it's not supposed to rain today. So let's hope, you know. It looks like and feels like, but I don't know. I don't think so. Just mostly cloudy. Some sign here and there. Coming up at Clarkson Street, Granite Street, heading eastbound. Oh, there's no lights in here, guys. Just a stop sign. Anyways, keep going. So, you know, it's, you know, again, these streets are, you know, small down here, guys. we're in a tunnel of despair. You know what that means. Before we go to 200th Street, guys, we have to do one last street on here. It's called Downing. It's back there. I think it's only 2 blocks long, guys. So that should be the last one on this sector. So again, I take sectors, and from that sector I take sections, because if you take a grid, it's got a lot of sectors. So I go from grid to sector to sections. So this sector here is done, guys, but the grid's still big, man. It's a lot of streets, but it can be done. Coming up Clarkson Street, Hudson Street, heading eastbound. And those are the 2 murals I told you about, the big ones. Again, I do not know what that means. I don't know. Maybe you could tell AI to tell me what it is, or that one. But I think that was related to Ellis Island, because it says Ellis, and you can see like 5 faces up there that are different. So I'm assuming it's from Ellis Island, of immigrants who came back in those days here to America. They have to register at the island. Once they get processed, they come here and welcome to America. I don't know, but that's what I'm assuming that thing is. And this is the last block before we close the video out. One last time, see? But this one, I don't know. I'm not sure what that is. It says here, affordable housing coming to Hudson Square. Yeah. Okay, so we'll keep moving, guys. I gotta check it out, but that's a school, guys. That whole thing, that's a whole school back there. But those are humongous paintings and murals, man. Now we keep going, guys.
Dirty half hour and you're killing them. You're killing them.
Okay, guys, so we're coming to the end of the video. Thanks for riding with me on this one. As always, don't forget to like me a lot, share the wealth, the faith, comment, document. No olviden de darme un like, un share, comentar y documentar. And as always, guys, I will see you all somewhere in time, my time. Coming up at Clark Street, Varick Street. Last and final stop. And I will see you all somewhere in time. Bye.